Today, I'll show you how to download, install, and use MiniTool Movie Maker for free. This is a fantastic video editor for anyone looking to create amazing videos without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or pro, MiniTool Movie Maker has all the essential tools you need. So, let's dive in. First, we need to download MiniTool Movie Maker. Head over to your browser and search for MiniTool Movie Maker free download, or go directly to their official website. Find MiniTool Movie Maker under their products or search bar. Click the free download button and wait for the file to download. Now that the download is done, installing MiniTool Movie Maker is pretty straightforward. Double-click to run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Simply agree to the terms and conditions. Click Install. And once done, hit Start Now to open MiniTool Movie Maker. And that's it. MiniTool Movie Maker is now installed on your computer. Next, let's dive into using it to edit your videos. When you first open MiniTool Movie Maker, you'll be greeted with a simple and easy-to-use interface. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use it to create your first video. First, import your videos, images, and audio files by clicking the Import Media Files button. Or you can drag and drop the files into the timeline at the bottom. Select the potages that you want to edit. Now that your media is imported, let's start editing. Drag and drop the clip to the timeline. Even you can choose more clips to add. Now you can split, trim, or merge your clips by selecting them in the timeline and using the editing tools on the toolbar. To make your video look more professional, you can add transitions and effects. Go to the Transition tab, choose one, and drag it between two clips on your timeline. You can also add effects to the video. Just select the clip and then click on Add option. Here you can adjust some settings under Video Property. Now, under Video Property, you can reverse speed of the video. To add filters to the video, click on this tab. Now go on, select the filter that you would like to add to the video. It's really amazing and easy to use. Even you can add elements to the video, like subscribe button to the video. Even you can see there are more elements to use. Just click and add the one that you want to use. You can also add motions. Here you can see its amazing software. Lastly, add text. Up here, click on Text. Select the text that you would like to use and add it to the timeline. Now under Text Property, text your words. You can adjust your settings here, changing fonts, size, and many more. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export your video. Click the Export button at the top. Select the format and quality you want and save it to your desired location. And there you go. Your video is now ready to be shared with the world. MiniTool Movie Maker makes video editing simple and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.